Hello lovely people, welcome back again to my channel. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. If you're already part of this family, thank you so much. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how I make this delicious and healthy sweet potato stir fry. This recipe can be taken as breakfast or enjoy at any time of the day. Let's get into the video. Into a pot, I'll go in with some water, then cover it. I'm going to let this boil for some few minutes. So after 10 minutes, the water is boiling. So I went in with my sweet potatoes. I then went ahead to add some salt and then cover this for it to cook. So after 10 minutes, checking on the sweet potato, guys, it is well cooked at this point. So I will drain the water off and set it aside. In a pan, I'll go in with my oil. I only use 3 tablespoons. I'll let it heat for some few minutes and then went in with my chicken. So I'm going to fry this until the chicken becomes brown. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, I am Getty. I make food recipes on this channel. If you are interested and like what you are seeing, kindly consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified anytime I post a new video. So guys, at this point, this is how I want the chicken to be, so I'm just taking it off. And after that, I also added some onions. I'll be frying the onion for 5 minutes, and after that I'll go in with some grated garlic and ginger. I then also added my tomatoes and stir everything. While this is going on, I just want to use this opportunity to thank my returning subscribers and new subscribers right here. You guys are so amazing and superb. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos, sharing, commenting, and also liking. I truly appreciate it. So I went in with some chili pepper, curry powder, and also added some black pepper. I'm going to stir everything together. And please feel free to add any spices of your choice when making this recipe. So this has been on the fire for some time now and it is doing absolutely well. So I just added just a pinch of seasoning cube, and also I will stir everything all together. Okay fam, so at this point I'll go in with some eggs, and I used 3 eggs in all, so I will stir this gently. Are you still watching me up to this time? If you are, thank you so much. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share this video among your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed, please do. Subscribing to the channel is free. You don't have to pay any amount, and you can also watch me on Facebook, watch my short videos on Instagram and YouTube short as well. Moving forward, I added some carrots, green bell pepper, and also some cabbage. You can use any vegetables of your choice for this recipe. So this is what I'm using. I'll mix everything until they are well combined. And we are not going to overcook the vegetable. We still want some crunchiness over there, so I have just lowered the flame, and now I will add my chicken and also go in with my cooked potatoes. So I'm going to stir everything all together. Guys, let me know what you think about this sweet potato stir fried recipe in the comment section. I'll be very glad to read your comments. And the aroma in my kitchen smells amazing and good. This sweet potato stir-fried recipe can be a perfect meal for someone on a weight loss journey, and they would definitely love this. And once again, thank you so much if you have watched this video up to this point. I'm truly grateful. And let me also remind you that subscribing to the channel is also free. Alright fam, our sweet potato stir fry is all done and ready. Just look at this lovely outcome, looking so colorful, very healthy as well. With just some few ingredients, you can prepare this recipe. Oh guys, I really love it. And if you find this video interesting, give it a thumbs up, share this video among your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next upload.